Portugal versus Spain, FIFA World Cup 2026, round of 16, preview and prediction. Portugal last 4 matches, 2 wins, 2 draws, 0 loss versus DR Congo, Uzbekistan, Colombia, Croatia. Spain last 4 matches, 3 wins, 1 draw, 0 loss versus Cape Verde, Saudi Arabia, Uruguay, Austria. FIFA World Ranking, Portugal 5 versus Spain 2. Player to watch, Cristiano Ronaldo versus Lamine Yamal. Squad market value, Portugal versus Spain. Head-to-head, Portugal versus Spain. Where to watch, Sport TV, RTVA, Fox Sports. Score prediction, Portugal 4, Spain 3.